today, huge and really great, really wonderful, really kind of pulling it all together. So there are syllables that we counted, but did you know that every syllable has one strong beat, one strong syllable? And it's louder and it's a little longer and it's pronounced well. It's a little higher. And here's the secret. When you know where the strong beat is, when you know where the strong syllable is, you can say the word so that people understand it. It makes the word make sense. So let's get it together and see what we can do. We're going to practice with some easy words. So here is the word banana. This is a roller coaster, and this is to show you the meaning of this. This is a roller coaster, and the loudest, strongest syllable is the one at the top of the hill. So in this case, it's nah. He says the banana is yelling nan. It's basically it. Banana. 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 He's screaming out banana. 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 He's shouting it. We don't have to shout it. We just say it a little louder, a little clearer than the rest of the word. So it's ba-na-na, banana, banana. You hear it? Banana, 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 banana. We can even hum it. We can do it as a song, like music, without even saying the letters, but so that you can hear it. Hmm, 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 hmm. In this case, hmm, 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 hmm. Banana, banana. And that's sort of the tune or the song of the word. And do you hear how the middle syllable, syllable number 2, is the top, is the stressed syllable. So syllable 1 is 2 is 3 is banana, banana. Let me say it for you incorrectly. I'll say it for you wrong so you can hear the difference. What have I said rather than banana? What have I said? Banana, 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 banana. What's a banana? What's a banana? What is a banana? Never heard of a banana. Banana? 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 No, it's not banana. It's banana. Oh, it makes sense. Banana, 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 banana. Do you hear it? Banana, banana, not banana, but banana, banana. It's clear. Banana, banana. So, banana, banana, banana. Say it with me. Banana, banana, banana. Here's another word. This is a different hill, and this word starts with the stress on the first syllable. Family, 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 family. I say the fa loud and a little slower, right? Fa, milli, 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 family, family. So here are two words that we can take a look at. This is the whole idea in one picture. Every word has just one strong beat. Family. Your job is simple. You have to find the stressed syllable and then hang the word on that. You either build it up, ba, na, or you start there, family. Yeah, that's what makes English sound like English. That's what makes it sound like it sounds. So that is syllable stress. Now what we'll do is practice in the next video. We'll practice a bunch of words and we'll try to get it right ourselves.